Hi everyone, welcome to CCRH Library. In this short tutorial, we will see how you can search and access millions of e-resources on the eLibrary. To access the eLibrary, visit ccrhlibrary.in. You can access the eLibrary from anywhere across the globe, but in order to do so, you must log in into your personal account. Logging in also helps you save content for future reference, set up TOC alerts, or place item requests. In case you do not have your account details, please send us your full name, your department, the email address which must be on CCRH domain, and the mobile number to the given email address. Now let's just look at the eLibrary. You can find the eLibrary at ccrhlibrary.in. The first thing that I need to do as a user is log in into my account. I will use my CCRH official email address and the password to log in. In case I don't have it, I can always contact the library administrator. Once you are logged in, we also recommend our users to set up their own private password for security purposes. You can browse the eLibrary by clicking on this eResources link. You will find a list of all the medical and health sciences related subjects here. Let's just click on one of them to list the resources. Let's click dermatology. You see, a single click will list all the resources related to dermatology. I can also do the same for browse by publisher. I can list all resources. Let's say I want to read British medical journals. I click on the link, I get the list of all the BMJ journals. I can also browse by format. So let's say I am interested in ebooks. I click on the link and it's that easy. Just click on the link and I will have the list of all the e-resources curated in this eLibrary. We have also built some topical collections. So let's say I click on this collection called infection. You will find some highly relevant e-resources related to, let's say, influenza in this example. In this topical collection, we will go ahead and create more topical collections. Now let's just look at the entire index of publications in this eLibrary. As you can see, there are more than 58,000 publications, and you can use these filters on any browsing or search result screen to drill down the search results. So let's say I click on the subscribed filter, I get the list of all the subscribed journals and the databases. I can also do a filter on publisher. Any search result that I see on the platform is embedded with remote access links, which means that all I need to do is just click on the read button and I'll have full text access to that publication wherever I am. I can read this journal, any volume, any issue, and all the research articles. I will have full text access. Let's just do that for one more publication by Marianne. And as you can see, you find the CCRH name at the top, which shows that the remote authentication has been performed successfully, and I'll have full text access to all the research articles of this particular publications. Basically, I'll have the same experience as I would get while sitting in the campus. Apart from these scholarly collections, there are some information services for leisure reading like expert talks. There are close to 1700 expert talks on the platform, and there's a very rich collection of literature in English, Hindi, Urdu and Punjabi, covering some of the most popular literary works. There's also a news service on the platform which features news clips. The library team is doing this on a daily basis, and you can also find headlines from the popular news publications. You can always click on the bell icon next to the publication or news clips to get news alerts straight to your email inbox. Let's just look at how the search works. I'm going to do a very generic keyword to have a broad set of results. As you can see now, the search by default lists all the publications related to my search query, and I can always use the filters on the top to drill down these search results. But apart from publications, I can always look for research articles related to my search query. All I need to do is just switch over the tab from eCatalog to article, and the platform will bring in most relevant research articles from all the subscribed databases. I might need to refresh the search results by clicking this Get More button, and you can see that now instead of going to Marianne Libbard, Science Direct, Walter Kluwer's, BMJ, I can just do a single search on CCRH Library and fetch in all the research articles. If there is anything uploaded by the library team in collections related to my search query, I can see it in Collections tab. Basically, it's a Google-like search experience. We also have an advanced search form where you can do more complex search queries use Boolean operators. You can define your query to catalog or for research articles, and you can apply filters like publication year. You could also target your query to a particular publisher. So let's say I want to do it for Science Direct only. So instead of all the publishers, I am now looking for research articles from Science Direct. And as you can see, I get the most relevant and subscribed search results from Science Direct here. Again, like the catalog, the research article search result screen is also embedded with remote access link, so you will always get full text access to the subscribed search results. The entire experience and all the content services that I showed you in this tutorial are not just available through the web platform, but also as a mobile app. We have a dedicated and a custom designed mobile app for CCRH eLibrary on Android as well as on iOS App Store. So you can download these mobile apps on your mobile phone and have access to CCRH Library on the go. Please note that your account will be blocked if you fail successfully in logging into your account. If the system suspects that there has been any misuse or attempt to robotically download the resources. CCRH eLibrary is very sensitive to publisher copyrights, so never share your account details with anyone. In case you need any support, in case you have any feedback or suggestions for us, please do write to ccrhlibrary@gmail.com or support@refread.com. Happy reading!